Hello, everyone! I'm Lucy from Dink & Company. We rate a professional manufacturer of plastic machinery with more than 20 years. Today, I'm going to introduce the PVC foam board. Projects: PVC foam boards are widely used in cabinet boards, furniture boards, wood, veneered wall panels, etc., and they are extremely popular. Do you know how they are produced? Let me walk you through the process. First, we need to mix PVC with powder, environmentally friendly foaming agents, and additives evenly in mixer. Well, mixed raw material is the key to producing higher quality boards. The second step involves using PVC foam board production line for extrusion molding. Mixed raw materials are conveyed to 8156 extruder through feeding system. This extruder is top-notched, equipped with a Siemens motor, an ABB frequency converter, and Omron temperature control system. Alternatively, it can adopt the Siemens PLC control system, enabling human and machine integration. This is like giving the brain to a smart equipment, precisely control the production process. After the raw materials are plasticized and extruded in the extruder, they pass through a special molds for extrusion and shaping. The equipment is also equipped with heavier-duty 8-roller tractor, which ensures a more stable production process. Moreover, the cutting machine is equipped with a dust collection device, and the manipulator can automatically unload the products. This eliminates the need for manual labor, saving both manpower and costs. This is the charm of Dink & Intelligent Manufacturing. We restore the beauty of nature through technology and bring eco-friendly decoration materials into thousands of households. We focus on top-quality machines and export it to over 80 countries. If you are in need of any plastic machinery, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Crusher and milling machine for recycling the waste PVC foam board into powder for recycling use.